Hello, our art friend. Today in Kitty Can Draw, we are going to learn how to draw a funny monster. So let's start drawing. First, draw 3 strands of hair at the top. Extend a curved line from each side. Then draw a couple of strands of hair on each side. Extend another curved line from each side going down. Draw 3 strands of hair on each side. Once again, extend the line on each side, going down as well. Draw an arm with tiny fingers at the bottom. Then repeat the same steps for the other arm. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Draw a curved line coming down from the arm on both sides. Draw the monster's foot with 2 tiny fingers pointing outwards. Repeat the same steps on the other side for the other foot. Join the 2 feet together with a horizontal line. For the eye, draw a large circle in the middle of the body. Then a smaller circle inside. And another smaller one inside, making a couple of curves along the circle. And colored to show light reflection. For the mouth, draw a wavy line under the eye, then close it at the bottom with a half oval shape. Draw 2 sharp teeth in the mouth at the top and half a circle at the bottom for the tongue. Well done! Now you can draw a funny monster. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. If you like this video, Don't forget to like and subscribe.